Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix iPhone microphone not showing on Mac. So if you want to use your iPhone as microphone on your Mac, but your iPhone does not appear in the input device list, the problem is usually related to Apple's continuity feature rather than the microphone itself. For this feature to work, both your iPhone and Mac used to be signed in with the same Apple ID, have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth turned on, and be close to each other. If any of these requirements are not met, your iPhone may not appear in the available microphone list. So first, make sure your iPhone is unlocked and placed near your Mac. Verify that both devices are signed in with same Apple ID and that Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled on both devices. Next, on your Mac, click on the Apple menu and choose System Settings. Now select Sound from the left side pane and under Input section, check whether your iPhone appear in the list of available microphones. If it is still not appear, restart both iPhone and Mac and then return to Input section and check it again. Once your iPhone appear in the list, simply select it and confirm that the input level meter moves when you speak into your iPhone, and your iPhone will be now ready to use as a microphone for supported apps on your Mac. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.